Merry Christmas, everyone, and welcome to the workshop. Join us for a look at our booth restock for the holidays. Our sweet little booth is located at Hodge Podge Antiques and Interiors in Monroe, Georgia. We just love this location. There's so many wonderful vendors. We also have a cafe on site, and I also teach my craft classes in our classroom. So make sure that you're following the workshop on all of our socials as well as Hodge Podge, because we list all of our local open classes monthly. As many of you have already seen, I love to put together old and new. I love the juxtaposition and the nostalgia of using vintage and antique items and upcycling them. So here is a closer, slower look at our booth. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching our video and stopping by on our channel. We would love for you to subscribe and like our video, leave a comment, and tell me what was your favorite thing that we have in the booth. No matter what your holiday style is, I hope you've enjoyed our video and have been inspired by the way that we have upcycled things that we have found out thrifting, antiquing, and picking, and reimagined them into something new and interesting. Thank you again for joining us and checking out our booth at Hodge Podge in Monroe, Georgia. I hope that you'll also check out our website at theworkshopstop.com, and you can also reach out to us through our socials on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Have a great one and Merry Christmas.